A step-by-step guide for HR and talent leaders seeking to implement effective skills assessment processes. Discover industry-leading tools, methods, and compliance requirements for building a robust talent evaluation framework. Systematic evaluation. A structured approach to measure specific knowledge, abilities, and competencies within your workforce. Multiple applications. Valuable for hiring new talent, developing employees, making promotion decisions, and strategic workforce planning. Evidence-based approach. Replaces subjective opinions with objective data about employee capabilities and potential. Identifies critical gaps. Reveals where skills are missing in your organization, allowing targeted recruitment and training. Improves business outcomes. Directly connects employee capabilities to performance, productivity, and innovation. Enhances decision-making. Provides data-driven insights for hiring, promotions, and development investments. Technical skills. Job-specific knowledge and practical abilities needed to perform specific tasks. Coding abilities. Software proficiency. Equipment operation. Soft skills. Interpersonal abilities that determine workplace effectiveness. Communication. Teamwork. Leadership. Behavioral skills. Workplace attitudes and adaptability that influence performance. Problem solving. Time management. Conflict resolution. Written tests. Evaluate theoretical knowledge through structured questions on job-specific topics. Practical assignments. Assess ability to apply knowledge in realistic job scenarios and work simulations. Technical interviews. Probe depth of understanding through expert-led discussions about technical concepts. Portfolios/work samples. Review actual work products to evaluate quality, skill level, and approach. Behavioral interviews. Structured questions about past situations reveal how candidates approach challenges. Role plays and simulations. Observe candidates handling realistic workplace scenarios under controlled conditions. Psychometric tests. Scientifically validated assessments measure personality traits and behavioral tendencies. 360-degree feedback. Collect perspectives from colleagues, managers, and direct reports for comprehensive view. Centralized testing. Single platform manages all assessments across the organization. Creates consistent evaluation standards. Diverse test types. Platforms support various formats from simple quizzes to complex coding challenges and simulations. Analytics and reporting. Automated data collection and visualization helps identify patterns and make informed decisions. Engaging experience. Game elements increase participation and reduce assessment anxiety. Virtual environments. Role-based simulations create realistic workplace scenarios. Measurable outcomes. Data collection on non-technical skills previously hard to quantify. Perfect for leadership, customer service, and complex decision-making roles where traditional testing falls short. Scoring accuracy. Machine learning algorithms deliver consistent evaluation with reduced human bias. Faster analysis. AI processes assessment data and identifies patterns much quicker than manual methods. Prediction rate. Advanced tools can forecast job performance based on assessment results. Questionnaires and surveys. Low-cost, highly scalable self-reporting tools. Focus groups. Facilitated discussions revealing deeper insights. Job mapping and interviews. Detailed analysis of role requirements and skills. These time-tested methods complement newer technologies. The human element remains crucial for contextual understanding. Establish clear goals. Recruitment screening. Internal development. Succession planning. Regulatory compliance. Identify critical skills. Technical requirements. Soft skills priorities. Role-specific competencies. Set success metrics. Participation rates. Score thresholds. Business impact indicators. Skill type. Recommended methods. Key considerations. Technical. Coding tests, simulations, portfolios. Relevance to actual job tasks. Soft skills. Role plays, behavioral interviews. Observable behaviors versus self-reporting. Behavioral. Psychometric tests, 360 degrees feedback. Validated tools with benchmark data. Create content. Develop questions, scenarios, and evaluation criteria aligned with job requirements. Balance elements. Mix theoretical knowledge with practical application tests for comprehensive evaluation. Test validity. Pilot assessments with current employees to verify accuracy and relevance. Refine approach. Adjust difficulty, timing, and format based on pilot feedback. Delivery methods. Online remote proctoring. In-person assessment centers. Blended approaches. Choose methods that balance security, accessibility, and candidate experience. Best practices. Clear instructions. Consistent conditions. Technical support. Time accommodations. Create a fair environment where all participants can demonstrate their true abilities. Important safeguards. Identity verification. Secure test environments. Multiple question versions. Protect assessment integrity while maintaining a positive candidate experience. Automated scoring. AI-powered systems ensure objective evaluation across all candidates. They eliminate unconscious bias in scoring. Gap analysis. Reports highlight discrepancies between required and actual skill levels. They pinpoint development needs. Benchmarking. Compare results against industry standards or internal high performers. Track progress over time. Candidate feedback. Share specific strengths. Explain development areas. Provide comparison context. Suggest improvement resources. Manager resources. Coaching guidance. Development plan templates. Learning resource recommendations. Organizational actions. Training program alignment. Hiring decision support. Team composition insights. Ensure all assessments comply with equal opportunity laws and provide reasonable accommodations. Protect candidate data through proper consent and security measures. Single method reliance. Use multiple assessment types to create a complete picture of capabilities. Neglecting soft skills. Balance technical evaluation with interpersonal and behavioral assessments. Outdated tools. Regularly validate assessment methods against actual job performance. Ignoring bias. Review all assessments for potential discrimination against protected groups. AI adaptive testing. Current adoption, 32%. Predicted growth, 78%. Creates personalized testing experiences that evolve with each candidate's responses. Continuous assessment. Current adoption, 24%. Predicted growth, 65%. Replaces point-in-time evaluations with ongoing measurement integrated into work processes. VR/AR simulations. Current adoption, 18%. Predicted growth, 82%. Creates immersive scenarios to evaluate complex skills in realistic environments. Workforce analytics. Current adoption, 41%. Predicted growth, 59%. Combines assessment data with broader talent systems to drive strategic workforce planning. The future of skills assessment lies in continuous, adaptive evaluation integrated with broader talent systems. AI will enable personalized testing experiences that evolve with each candidate. Use multiple methods. Combine different assessment types for a complete picture of capabilities. Leverage technology. Implement digital tools to increase scale, accuracy, and candidate experience. Review regularly. Continuously validate your assessment tools against actual job performance. Ensure fairness. Design inclusive processes that give all candidates equal opportunity to succeed.